Yes, good morning class 10th. Now in your math class today, class 10, in your math class, the chapter 14th, in continuation of chapter 14th, now our topic is median, exercise 14.3. Okay. Now we were discussed about the question number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, already. Now come to the question number 4. So question 4. The length of the 40 leaves of plants are measured correct to the nearest millimeters and the data obtained is represented in the following table. Length in millimeter 118 to 126 likewise. So this is a table. The column 1, length in millimeters. That is 118 to 126, 127 to 135, 136 to 144, 144 to 153, 153 to 162, 163, 163 to 171 and 172. This is 145 and 54, 154 to 162, 163 to 171 and 172 to 180. Okay, 118 to 126, 127 to 135, 136 to 144, 145 to 153, 154 to 162, 163 to 171 and 172 to 180. The frequencies are 3, 5, 9, 12, 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. Now students, such type of questions in the class interval, when we observe the class interval, the first class is 118 to 126 and the second class is 127 to 135. But in the previous question, when we observe the class interval, there is the upper limit of the first class and the lower limit of the second class always same. But in this class interval, the upper limit of the first class and the lower limit of the second class is not same, because first class is 118 to 126, but in the second class that is 127 to 135. So it is not starting with 126 as same as it is not starting with 135. It is not starting with 144. So there is a difference. So first, whenever the class intervals are not continuous, these class intervals are not continuous because first class 118 to 126 and the second is 127 से start हो रहा है. So these are discontinued. है ना, discontinued class है. First we convert the class interval into the continuous order. तो जब भी हम इन्हें कंटिन्यूअस ऑर्डर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द क्लासेस. सो इन क्लास 1 एंड number is 126, in the class 2 the lower limit is 127. So we have to find the difference between the limits is 127 minus 126, which is 1. Now this value 1 is divided equally into the each class 1 and class 2, because 126 belongs to the class 1 and 127 is belong to the class 2, class interval 2. There is 2 class, that's why the difference half. So half of difference is 1 by 2 or 0.5. Okay, so 1 by 2 or 0.5 is the difference. Now when we make it continuous, so in lower limit, each lower limit we have plus minus 0.5, and in upper limit we have add 0.5. So in this order, the first class interval 1, that is 118 minus 0.5 to 126 plus 0.5. So it becomes 117.5 to 126.5. This is the now class interval 1. Now come to the class interval 2. Class interval 2, 127 minus 0.5 and 135 plus 0.5. That's why it becomes 127.5, 126.5 to 135.5. Class interval third, 136 minus 0.5 to 144 plus 0.5. So 135.5 to 144.5. Now see the difference. Class 1 is 118 to 126, but now the class is 117.5 to 126.5. Class 2, here 127 to 135, but now the class 2 is 126.5 to 135.5. Same in class 3, that is 136 to 144, but in this manner the third class interval is 135.5 to 144.5. So in class interval 1, 2 and 3, we have to observe that these are the continuous class, because in class interval 1 the lowest limit is 117.5, the upper limit is 126.5. But in the second class, the lower limit is same as the upper limit of the first class, that is 126.5 to 135.5. Now come to the class interval 3. In this way, the lower limit of the class interval third is same as upper limit of the class interval 2, which is 135.5 to 144.5. So in this way, we have to find new class interval. Okay, so this is class interval 117.5 to 126.5, 126.5 to 135.5, 135.5 to 144.5, 144.5 to 153.5, 153.5 to 162.5, 162.5 to 171.5, and last class interval 171.5 to 180.5. So these are the new class intervals. Okay, so first we have to find the class intervals. Now the frequencies are 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. No change in the frequency, but we have to find cumulative frequency. So CF, 3 as it is, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 2, 12, 29, 29 plus 5, 34, 34 plus 4, 38, 38 plus 2, 40. And question is, say that length of 40 leaves, that's why the n is 40. If n is 40, so n by 2 is 40 upon 2, or it is equals to 20. Now n by 2, 20. The value of n by 2 is 20. Now we have to compare this value just above the 20 in the cumulative frequency column. So just more than 20 is 29. Just more than n by 2, that is 29. So this is our median class. It is our median class. So median class is 144.5 to 153.5. Now the median, so first we have to find L. Lower limit of the median is 144.5. N by 2 is already 20 is now CF. Cumulative frequency up to the median class, that is 17. Frequency F is belongs to the median class, which is 12, and H is the class size of the median class. So 153.5 minus 144.5, which is 8. Now the median is L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So L is 144.5 plus 20, because N by 2 is 20, minus CF, that is 17, upon F 12 into H is 8. So 144.5 plus 3 upon 3 into 8 upon 12. So 3 4 ja and 4 2 ja. So 144 plus 2, 146.5 is the new median. So your median of this figure is 146.5. Okay. So we have to find median through the formula of the median, but first we have to find all the values from the median class, and for find out the median class we have to find the continuous median class. Is it clear? Now like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.